its sample response, you were given a podcast in October-November 2021 past paper. Now let me read the question for you. You are a doctor who has used Epic. And what is Epic? Epic is a new software package for healthcare professionals. And write the text of a podcast for other doctors promoting the benefits of the new software. And then the second part of the same question says, compare your podcast with the article. It means you are given an article in the exam and then you are changing it into a podcast. And what you are doing after that, you're analyzing form, structure, and language. So my suggestion to you is, before writing a podcast, you must be familiar with the key conventions or the form, structure, and language of both the text type as article and the podcast. Because when you are clear, when you are knowing these things beforehand, you can write a better response in the exams. Now let me show you some of the key conventions used in the magazine article. It starts with the heading, title, and then the subheading. Then this article is written in the first person perspective, and the first paragraph the writer has used his personal anecdote to keep the readers engaged. Now look at the use of the numbers in this magazine article, such as 30 to 70, 60% male, 100% irritated, and then 1978. The use of the numbers in the magazine articles show the readers your expertise. And the second thing is, there are two different lexical fields used here. One is from the medicine, the other is from the technology. So the lexes which you are using will be related to both fields. So you can see here chart review, result review, review flow chart. It is something done by these are some of the actions done by the doctors and or in the medicine. Then the second thing is the lexes, the wordings from the technology. That is computer technology. Then you're using the word Apple here, arcade game, Pong, and this show that how many lexical field you are using in your article. Then there is use of power of 3 used by the writer, and that is the same kind of structure like recording, sending, ordering, and then lab order slips, vital sign charts, hospital ward record. It means similar kind, the same kind of structure used in the article. In your analysis, you can mention that one of the structural features of this magazine article is the way that the writer weaves together his personal experience, the research, and expert opinions to build up his argument. And he also draws on his own experience as a physician as well as the experience of other healthcare professionals to illustrate the challenges of using electronic health records. He also has cited a range of studies and the surveys to support his claim about the negative impact of digital technology on physical burnout and the patient care. Let me share the sample response of the podcast with you. Before writing the text for the podcast, you must keep it in mind, if you are a host and you have invited a doctor as a guest, then there will be different kind of text you will write for the podcast. But if you are the doctor and you are the same host, then you can use rhetorical questions in your text. So let me start as if you are the doctor and you are the host yourself. So you start like that. Welcome to the podcast for doctors. In this episode, means in the first paragraph, you are telling the audience that what is the podcast about. So you are saying in this episode, we are going to discuss Epic. And what is Epic? The electronic health record software that has been making waves in the healthcare industry. And then you are telling about your experiences as a doctor who has personally used Epic, because if something you have not used yourself, you cannot suggest or advise others to do the same. So you can say that I can tell you it's been a game changer in how we manage patient care. Then the next paragraph, you talk about the best things or the benefits of this software. So you start counting the benefits, like one of the best things about Epic is how it brings together all of the patient's health information in one place. So with Epic, you can quickly access patient's medical history, lab results, and more, all from one convenient location. And then the second paragraph, more about the epic benefits, and that could be the great feature of epic is how easy it is to use, means its usage you're talking about now. Moreover, it is all online and you can access it from anywhere, whether you are in the hospital working remotely. And the next paragraph, you talk about other benefits. A significant benefit of EPIC is how it improves patient outcome. With a complete view of the patient's health history, we can make more informed decisions about their care. And then how you conclude your podcast, that you're not already, if you're just asking the audience, if you're the host and you're the doctor, that specialist, you can use rhetorical questions. Like, you can conclude your podcast like this: if you are not already using Epic, you are missing out one of the best tools available for managing patient care. As a doctor who has used it myself, I can strongly recommend it to my colleagues too. So why not to give it a try and see for yourself how it can transform the way you practice medicine. So you can use a rhetorical question if you're all alone there, if nobody is there with you as a guest, and you are having the podcast. So you can use a rhetorical question there. I hope you understand how to write an effective response in exams now.